Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two different ways to email your customers directly from Shopify. Whether you want to send automated notifications or reach out personally, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's start with automatic email notifications. Go to your Shopify settings and then click on notifications. Here, Shopify provides a wide variety of pre-made email templates that automatically go out to your customers. For example, when someone places an order, Shopify sends an order confirmation email. There are also templates for shipping updates, abandoned cart reminders, and more. The great thing is, you can customize these templates to fit your brand. Click edit on the email you want to adjust. You can change the text, add your logo, include special instructions, or even highlight promotions. This is perfect if you want to keep your communication professional and on brand without manually sending emails to every customer. Now, let's talk about manual emails. Sometimes you might want to personally reach out to a specific customer. For example, to offer a discount, thank them for a purchase, or resolve a question. To do this, go to the customer section on the left-hand menu. You'll see a full list of everyone who has bought from your store. Select the customer you want to contact, and you'll see their contact information on the right side. Click the contact button. From here, you can set the from name, optionally add a BCC, create a subject line, and write your personalized message. Shopify even gives you a preview so you can see exactly how your email will look before sending it. This method is perfect for building stronger relationships with your customers and keeping them engaged. Using both automatic notifications and manual emails gives you full control over your customer communication. Automated emails save you time while maintaining professionalism, and manual emails let you add a personal touch that can increase loyalty and drive repeat sales.